Hi, we're Abby and Jeremy with Scout Peak Home Buyers, a local husband and wife team right here in Utah.
If you're thinking about selling, you might be worried about repairs, cleaning, showings, or whether a cash offer will be fair. Totally understandable.
Here's our promise. We buy as is for cash on your timeline. No fees, no realtor commissions, and we typically cover standard closing costs.
The process is simple. 3 easy steps. Step 1 is schedule a quick walkthrough with us. It's just the 2 of us, no big crew, and no pressure. Step 2, we make a transparent offer and show you the simple math behind it. After repair value minus real renovation and selling costs. Step 3, you pick the closing date, as fast as 7 to 14 days, or slower if you need some time.
And don't stress about cleaning. Take what you want, leave what you don't. We'll handle the rest after closing.
We live and work in the communities that we buy in. When you sell to locals, you get clear communication and neighbors who care about the street and your experience.
We've helped Utah homeowners through inheritance, downsizing, late payments, landlord headaches, and homes that just need a lot of love. If selling as is right for you, we'll make it easy.
If you want a fair, no-pressure cash offer, go ahead and fill out the short form on this page. We'll reach out, answer your questions, and set up a friendly walkthrough with you.
We'd be honored to help you figure out the best path, whether it's selling to us or not.
We're Scout Peak, local, helpful, and fair.